guys, today we're gonna open this fighting airplane. Hiya, hiya, hiya! I'm not gonna really hit you. So you see there's some wooden pieces in here, and you might saw the videos with some wooden pieces I'm making, but this is a plane this time. Let's start opening it. So this has 3 steps and a lot of pieces to follow, but it's gonna be cool when we're done. I'm gonna cut it with my magical scissors. Jump all this out. Whoa, that's so much pieces. So we have 2 little wheels, so cute. And some big sticks. They're like so much. And some more. So these are really like confusing pieces to me. Step 1 is to put this, glue it here, and do this, the same thing to the other side. And I have some glue here. Right over here. There, good. So now, second step is to put some glue over here. Now glue right over here. Next, I'm gonna put glue here and stick it right there. There, that's so good. Now then, we're gonna do the same step here. I'm gonna put like this for you to see. There, good. So this is the tail, and I want to put it right over here. There, that's good. Okay, now I'm sticking it. Now I'm gonna stick this. There! The same thing for this side. So I just have to put some glue here. Now I'm gonna put the wheels to here. So first I have this long like kind of stick. I'm gonna put it into this hole. But first I have to put glue in there. Then now I'm gonna put glue here and put it right here. Now I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. Okay, it's so good. Now the big one. So this time we're gonna put it at the bottom, like go forward at the bottom. There. Now another one. That's really good. So the wheels I made is going to be at the bottom. Now I'm going to put the glue right over here. There, that's good. Guys, this looks like exactly it was supposed to be. Right, guys? Yep, it is. I'm gonna let this plane dry and thank you for watching, guys. If you wanna watch more of my videos, go down and you'll see a red subscribe button so you can watch all of my videos. And don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Bye, and I love you.